Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice basic math challenge. So we have this is nice algebraic expression 200 divided by 50 times 2 plus 4. So here first I can explain the common mistakes which students can do. So here some students can solve this problem in this way. So 200 divided by 50 becomes here 4 multiplied by, this is 2 plus 4 becomes 6, and some students get 4 times of 6 becomes here 24. But this is the wrong answer, or this is the wrong procedure which students can do here. So now I can explain the correct way, and in the correct way we use here the PEMDAS rule. Okay, now, I hope so you already know about the PEMDAS rule. So here, and now here I can give you a correct way in which we can solve this problem. So here we use the PEMDAS rule. So you know about that. This is the PEMDAS rule. So according to this rule, here the very first priority which we can do is in the parentheses. So here P stands for parentheses, which we can write here, and E stands for exponent, M stands for multiply, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here we can solve the problem in according to this rule. So we can solve this from left side to right side. Okay, so here first we focus in the question statement, and you see that here we have two operations: division, addition, and parenthesis. We see these three operations. So here the first priority which we can given here is parenthesis. It means that the very first step we can solve here is these parentheses. Okay, so 2 plus 4 becomes 6, and we write all these terms as it is. So we have, this is 200 divided by 50 multiplied by 2 plus 4 becomes here 6. And now here the priority which we can gives in multiply and divide is the same priority. So we first we can solve this, or this it cannot affect our final answer. So here we can just do these two values, and here we just get 5 times of 200 becomes 4, and it is multiplied by 6, and its final answer becomes here 24. So this is the correct way to solve this problem. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.